Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are learning quantitative aptitude topic numbers. All the topic of quantitative aptitude are useful for all competitive exams like bank PO, SSC CGL, RRB, railways and many government job exams and job interviews. These topics are also useful for many entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. In this video, we are going to learn to find the sum of factors of given number, average of all the factors, sum of reciprocals of the factors of given number, and product of all the factors of given number. Point 1. Sum of factors. N equal to a to the power p multiplied by b to the power q multiplied by c to the power r, and this continues where a, b, c are prime factors of n and p, q, r are their powers respectively. Then sum s of all the factors of n is given by s equal to within bracket a to the power 0 plus a to the power 1 plus a to the power 2 plus a to the power 3 plus, and this goes up to a to the power p multiplied by in another bracket b to the power 0 plus b to the power 1 plus b to the power 2 plus b to the power 3 plus this goes up to b to the power q multiplied by in another bracket c to the power 0 plus c to the power 1 plus c to the power 2 plus c to the power 3 plus this goes up to c to the power r, and this continues. And we will learn it by one example. The example is find sum of factors of 36. We first will find the prime factors of 36, and 36 can be written as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 3 to the power 2 is 9, and 9 times 4 is 36. Now here value of a is 2 and its power p is also 2 multiplied by b equal to 3 and the power of b, which is q, equal to 2. Now sum of all the factors s equal to 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 as the power goes up to 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2, and this is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9, and this is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 times 7 is 91. Now we verify it. All the factors of 36 are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 18 plus 36. And if we add it, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 12 is 37, 37 plus 18 is 55 plus 36 equal to 91. This way we can verify also the formula used for finding the sum of factors. Point 2. Average of factors equal to sum of factors upon number of factors, or sum of factors divided by number of factors, and we will learn it by example. The example is find average of all factors of 24. So first we will find the number of factors, and for that we factorize 24 into prime factors, and 24 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3, that is 2 to the power 3 is 8, 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So the number of factors are, the power of 2 is 3, so we write it 3 plus 1, and power of 3 is 1, so we write it 1 plus 1, and this is 3 plus 1 is 4, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and this is equal to 8. So there will be number of factors of 24 are 8. Now we will find the sum of the factors. Sum of the factor s equal to 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3. As the power of 2 is 3, so we start it from 2 to the power 0 and we add up to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3s power 1, so it will be 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1, and this is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 2 to the power 3 is 8 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3, and this is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 8 is 15 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is equal to 60. Now we have to find the average of factors, and average equal to sum of factors is how much? 60 divided by number of factors is 8. So 4 cancels, 8 for 2 times and 60 for 15 times, and 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So the average of all the factors of 24 is 7.5. I hope you have understood the method of solving this example, and you would have learned finding the average of factors. We go to the next point. Point 3, sum of inverse of factors, and this is equal to sum of factors of n upon n or divided by n, and we will learn it by one example, and the example is find sum of inverse of all factors of 18. 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. We have factorized the 18 into prime factors, and those prime factors are 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. 2 times 3 to the power 2 is 9, and 9 times 2 is 18. Sum of factors we have to find. So s equal to 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1. As in prime factors it is 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2, and this is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9. So it is 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 9 is 13, and 13 times 3 is 39. Therefore, sum of inverse of all the factors of 18 equal to sum of factors is 39 divided by the number, and number is 18. 3 cancels 39 for 13 times, and 3 cancels 18 for 6 times. So this is equal to 13 upon 6. This is our answer. Now how to verify it? So we verify like this. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now inverse of it, 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 18. LCM of all the denominator is 18 and 1 divides 18 for 18 times, so it is 18, plus 2 divides 18 for 9 times, so it is 9, plus 3 divides 18 for 6 times, so plus 6, plus 6 divides 18 for 3 times, plus 9 divides 18 for 2 times, plus 18 divides 18 for 1 times. So it is the sum of numbers in reverse order. And if we add these, so that will be 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, 21 plus 18 is 39. So that 39 is here, divided by n, number is 18. So this is here. So this way we have verified the formula. I hope you have understood the formula as well as the example to find the sum of inverse of factors. We go to the next point. Point 4. Product of factors. Let n be the number and small n be the number of factors of n. Then product of factors of n equal to n raised to power n by 2. This is equal to number to the power number of factors divided by 2. And we will learn it by example. The given example is find the product of factors of 48. Now we have to find the number of factors, and for that we have to factorize 48 into prime factors is 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3. 2 to the power 4 is 16 and 16 times 3 is 48. So the prime factors of 48 are 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3. And number of factors will be 4 plus 1, as the power of 2 is 4. So we write 4 plus 1, and the power of 3 is 1. So we write 1 plus 1. And this is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. So number of factors will be 10. So the product of factors is 48 raised to power number of factors divided by 2, and this is equal to 48 to the power 5. This is our answer. Now how it has come? So let's verify it, and by that we will verify the formula as well. The factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. These are 10 factors of 48. Now if we start making pairs of it, we take first this 1 and the last number 48. So 1 multiplied by 48 is 48. Now we take 2 and 24. 2 multiplied by 24 equal to 48. Then 3 and 16. 3 multiplied by 16 equal to 48. 4 and 12. 4 multiplied by 12 is 48. And 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. So these are 5 48s. 48 times 48 times 48 times 48 times 48 is 48 to the power 5. This way it is or equal to 48 to the power 10 divided by 2. What is 10? 10 is number of factors divided by 2, which is 5. So this way we can verify the formula as well, that the product of all the factors of given number is equal to the given number to the power number of factors divided by 2. I hope you have understood how to find the product of all the factors of given number n. Also you have learned the verification of that formula by the given example. We go to the questions based on all these 4 points, in which we are going to find the solution of questions, finding the sum of all the factors, finding average of all the factors, finding sum of inverse of all the factors and product of all the factors of given number. Our question is, find sum of all factors of 48. The given options are option A 76, option B 124, option C 123, option D 96. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. First we factorize 48 into prime factors, and 48 is 16 times 3 and 16 is 2 to the power 4. So we write it as 48 equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 1. Now sum of factors is 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1. Here the power of 2 is 4. So we have taken from 2 to the power 0 to 2 to the power 4. And the power of 3 is 1. So we have taken 3 to the power 0 to 3 to the power 1. And this is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 to the power 4 is 16 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 16 is 31 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4, and 31 times 4 is 124. So the sum of all the factors of 48 is 124. If we want to verify this, we can do that. The factors of 48 are 1, the second factor is 2, so we write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 24 plus 48. And if we add all these, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 12 is 36, 36 plus 16 is 52, 52 plus 24 is 76, 76 plus 48 is 124. This way we have verified the sum of all the factors of 48. I hope you have understood the formula of solving this question and its verification to find the sum of factors of 48. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 124. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the sum of all factors of 100. The given options are option A 217, option B 224, option C 193, option D 296. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We first factorize 100 into prime factors, and 100 equal to 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 5 to the power 2 is 25, and 4 times 25 is 100. Now sum of factors S equal to S 2 to the power 2. So we start from 2 to the power 0 and we go up to 2 to the power 2. So it is 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. So we start from 5 to the power 0 and we go up to 5 to the power 2. So it is 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1 plus 5 to the power 2, and this is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 to the power 1 is 5 plus 5 to the power 2 is 25. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 25 is 31 and 7 times 31 is 217. Therefore, the sum of all factors of 100 is 217. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 217. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, find sum of even factors of 72. The given options are option A, 178, option B, 204, option C, 182, option D, 196. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We first factorize 72 into prime factors. 72 is 8 times 9 and 8 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 9 is 3 to the power 2. So the prime factors of 72 are 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Now we have to find the sum of even factors of 72. So we take common 2 and the remaining factors are 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Now we find the sum of the factors of 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2 and multiplied by 2. So that sum will be 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 2. So we start from 2 to the power 0 and we go up to 2 to the power 2, adding them. 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2, and this is equal to 2 into 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9, and this is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 9 is 13, and 13 times 7 is 91 and 91 times 2 is 182. So the sum of all even factors of 72 is 182. After factorizing 72 into prime factors, we had taken 2 common because we wanted to have the sum of all even factors. That's why we had taken 2 common, and then the remaining part was 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2, and then we proceeded as per our norms to find the sum of the factors of 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2, and then we multiplied it to 2 again to find the sum of the even factors of 72. And from the given answers, our answer is option C, 182. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, find sum of all factors of 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2, which are multiples of 5. The given options are option A, 2425, option B, 2550, option C, 2730, option D, 2820. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the sum of all factors of given number which are multiples of 5. So first we take out 5 from given question, and we can write that given question as 5 into 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. So we write it as 5 to the power 1, as we have already taken 1 5 out of it. We take sum of all these factors, which are 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 1, and we multiply that sum by 5 and we will get our answer. We write 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 and we go up to 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 multiplied by, in another bracket, 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1, and this is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 to the power 1 is 5, and this is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 9 is 13 multiplied by 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 and then we multiplied by 13. So 5 times 6 is 30. 30 times 7 is 210 and 210 multiplied by 13. So we write 0 of 210 first and then we multiply 21 to 13. 21 times 3 is 63. We write 3. We carry 6. 21 times 1 is 21 plus 6 is 27. So this is 2730. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 2730. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions, as it was asked to find the sum of all factors which were multiple of 5. So we took out 5 from the given question and then we solved the question, and this way we can find the sum of all those factors which are multiples of 5. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to next question. Our question is, find the sum of all factors of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2, which are multiples of 10. The given options are option A 5230, option B 5650, option C 5820, option D 5460. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we have to find the sum of all factors of given number which are multiples of 10. So we take out 10 from given number, and after taking 10 out of that number, and 10 is nothing else, it is 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 5 to the power 1. So we write given number as 10 multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Earlier it was 2 to the power 3, so we have taken 1 2 out of it, multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. So we write it as 5 to the power 1, as we have taken out 5 to the power 1 for making it 10. Now we take the sum of all the factors of 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 1, and we multiply that sum by 10. So we first write 10 and then multiply it by 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 We start from 2 to the power 0 and we go up to 2 to the power 2, as the power of 2 is 2. Multiplied by, we start from 3 to the power 0 and we go up to 3 to the power 2. So it is 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2, multiplied by 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1, as it is 5 to the power 1. So we start from 5 to the power 0, then we write 5 to the power 1. This is equal to 10 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4, multiplied by 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9, multiplied by 5 to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 to the power 1 is 5. So this is equal to 10 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7, multiplied by 1 plus 3 plus 9 is 13, multiplied by 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is 10 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 6. 7 times 13 is 91 and 91 times 6. So 6 times 1 is 6 and 9 times 6 is 54. And we add 1 0 as we have to multiply it by 10. So the multiplication of 10 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 6 comes out to be 5460. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 5460. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. In this question, we had to find the sum of all those factors which were multiple of 10. So we took out 10 out of the given number and then we took the sum of all the factors of the given number and then we again multiplied it by 10, so that we get the sum of all those factors which are multiples of 10. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to next question. Our question is, find sum of all the factors of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 1, which are multiples of 6. The given options are option A 1050, option B 1206, option C 1008, option D 1326. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we have to find the sum of all the factors which are multiples of 6. So we take out 6 from the given number, and 6 is nothing else but it is 2 multiplied by 3. So we take out 1 2 out of 2 to the power 3, so it becomes 2 to the power 2, and we also take 1 3 out of 3 to the power 2, so it becomes 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 5 to the power 1. So the given number becomes 6 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 5 to the power 1. Now we take the sum of all the factors of 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 5 to the power 1, and we multiply that by 6 so that we can find the sum of all the factors which are multiples of 6. So we write 6 multiplied by, we start from 2 to the power 0 and we go up to 2 to the power 2, as the given number is 2 to the power 2. So 6 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 multiplied by, we have 3 to the power 1. So we start from 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 multiplied by, we have 5 to the power 1. So we start from 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1. This is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 to the power 1 is 5. This is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4 multiplied by 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6. So first we multiply 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 6 is 144. So this is equal to 144 multiplied by 7, and 7 times 4 is 28. We write 8, we carry 2. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. So the product of 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 is 1008. And this is the sum of all those factors of given number which are multiples of 6. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 1008. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to next question. Our question is, find sum of all the factors of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 2, which are multiples of 15. The given options are option A, 14,040, option B, 17,550, option C, 11,700, option D, 12,870. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We take out 15 from the given number. So we write 15 multiplied by, and 15 is 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 5 to the power 1. So we will take out 1 3 out of the given number and 1 5 out of the given number. So it becomes 15 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2, as it was 3 to the power 3 and we have taken 1 3 out of it. So it is 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 1, as it was 5 to the power 2 and we have taken 1 5 out of it. So it is 5 to the power 1. Now we take the sum of all the factors 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 1, and we again multiply it by 15. That will be our answer. So we write 15 multiplied by, we start from 2 to the power 0 and we go up to 2 to the power 3. So we write 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1. This is equal to 15 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 2 to the power 3 is 8 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 to the power 1 is 5. This is equal to 15 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 8 is 15 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 9 is 13 multiplied by 1 plus 5 is 6. 15 times 6 is 90, and 90 times 15 is 1350 multiplied by 13. This is equal to 13 times 0 is 0, we write 0. 13 times 5 is 65, we write 5 and carry 6. 13 times 3 is 39. 39 plus 6 is 45, we write 5 and carry 4. 13 times 1 is 13 plus 4 is 17. So the sum of all the factors of given number which are multiples of 15 is 17,550, and from the given options our answer is option B, 17,550. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, find sum of all the factors of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 7 to the power 2, which are multiples of 21. The given options are option A, 32,760, option B, 27,720, option C, 25,200, option D, 35,280. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the sum of all the factors which are multiples of 21. So we take out 21 from the given number, and 21, when we have taken out from given number, 21 is 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 7 to the power 1. So we will take 1 3 out of given number and 1 7 out of given number. So the number becomes 21 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Earlier it was 3 to the power 3 and we have taken out 1 3 out of it. So it has become 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 1, as earlier it was 7 to the power 2 and we have taken 1 7 out of it. So it has become 7 to the power 1. Now we will find the sum of all the factors of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 1, and we again multiplied by 21, so that all the factors are multiples of 21. So we write 21 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. So we start from 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. So we write it from 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 1. So we write it as 7 to the power 0 plus 7 to the power 1. This is equal to 21 into 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 2 to the power 3 is 8 into 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9 multiplied by 7 to the power 0 is 1 plus 7 to the power 1 is 7. This is equal to 21 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 8 is 15 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 9 is 13 multiplied by 1 plus 7 is 8. We have 21 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 8. Now how to solve this fast? So what we do, 15 times 8 is 120. So we take out 0 of 120 and we multiply 12 to 21. 21 times 12 is 252. So it will be 2520 multiplied by 13. This is equal to 13 times 0 is 0. 13 times 2 is 26. We write 6 and carry 2. 13 times 5 is 65 plus 2 is 67. We write 7 and carry 6. 13 times 2 is 26 and 26 plus 6 is 32. So this is 32,760, and this is the sum of all the factors which are multiples of 21 of given number, and from the given options our answer is option A, 32,760. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, find sum of inverse of all factors of 240. The given options are option A 3.25, option B 2.8, option C 3.4, option D 3.1. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to first factorize 240 in prime factors, and 240 equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. These are the prime factors of 240. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 times 3 is 48, and 48 times 5 is 240. Now we have to find the sum of all the factors, and sum of the factors S is given by 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1. Here the power of 3 is 1, so we have started from 3 to the power 0 and we ended on 3 to the power 1. Again multiplied by 5 to the power 1, so we write it as 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1. As the power of 5 is 1, so we started with 5 to the power 0 and ended on 5 to the power 1. The power of 2 is 4, so we started with 2 to the power 0 and we ended with 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 4. This is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 to the power 4 is 16 multiplied by 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 to the power 1 is 5. This gives S equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 16 is 31. So we write S equal to 31 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is 4 multiplied by 1 plus 5 is 6. 31 multiplied by 6 is 186, and 186 multiplied by 4 is 744. So the sum of all the factors is 744, and the formula for sum of inverse of all the factors is given by sum of factors S divided by the number itself, number n. So this is equal to 744 divided by 240, and this is equal to 3.1. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 3.1. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, find sum of inverse of all the factors of 100. The given options are option A 2.17, option B 3.2, option C 2.65, option D 2.7. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to factorize the given number n equal to 100 into prime factors, and the prime factors of 100 are 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2, as 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 5 to the power 2 is 25 and 4 times 25 is 100. Now first we have to find the sum of factors, and sum of factor s is given by 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1 plus 5 to the power 2, and this is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 to the power 1 is 5 plus 5 to the power 2 is 25. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 multiplied by 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 25 is 31, and 7 times 31 is 217. 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 3 is 21, so it is 217. And sum of inverse of all the factors is given by the sum of all the factors divided by the number, and that is equal to 217 divided by 100, and this is equal to 2.17. This is the sum of inverse of all the factors of 100, and from the given options our answer is option A, 2.17. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, find product of all the factors of 84. The given options are option A, 84 to the power 6, option B, 84 to the power 4, option C, 84 to the power 3, option D, 84 to the power 5. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We first factorize the given number into prime factors. The number n is 84 and the prime factors of 84 are 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now we have to find the number of factor given by small n, and that is equal to 2 plus 1, as the power of 2 is 2. So we write 2 plus 1 multiplied by the power of 3 is 1. So we write 1 plus 1 multiplied by the power of 7 is 1. So we write 1 plus 1. And this is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1 is 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 is 2. And 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 2 is 12. And we know that the product of all the factors of any number is given by number to the power number of factors divided by 2, and this is equal to the number is 84 and the power is n by 2 and the value of n is 12, small n is 12 divided by 2, and this is equal to 84 to the power 6. And from the given options our answer is option A, 84 to the power 6. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.